hirit, unang hirit, nangunguna ka.
Sexy. Do you like my style? Yeah, sexy, sexy, sexy. Like I rock it down. Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. You can work me out. Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. Let me show you how. Yeah, that's sexy, sexy, sexy. So here's my demonstration. A peep show tonight. My body's an exhibition, baby. Though it's on display. Don't be scared to touch it. It's mental. So come and get it, baby. Show me like I can talk. I want my amplifier. When you hear something, that keep going, take it higher.
Hello! O yung saya naman ng game na yan. Congrats sa team ni Nanay Zita. Bagong lahat, maraming salamat sa Cygnus Fire Volunteer San Juan and Quezon City District Traffic Enforcement Unit. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. At meron pa tayong papasalamatan. Thank you sa Advanced Paper Corporation. Thank you rin sa Jump, Bounce, and Play, Epsilon Body and Spa, Philippine National Red Cross Marikina Chapter. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At kaya nandito na. Ito talaga mga kasing katawan ko eh. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on unang hirit again, Mocha!
Hello po, good morning.
Good morning. Ito syempre si Mocha, si Hershey,
Hello
si
po.
Bez, at si Grace. And ladies, hindi yata album ang ipopromote nyo this time. Something different. Ano to?
Yes, meron na pong movie ang Mocha Girls po. It's entitled Sumpa. It's a sexy horror movie starring Mr. Mark Hill, Joras Gamboa, and of course the Mocha Girls.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng sexy horror movie, Hershey?
Medyo... medyo nakakatakot siya na sexy.
Aba!
Yung mga multo, sexy.
So mga minumulto
Diba?
kayo habang kayo naliligo, mga ganyan.
Yeah, ganon.
Ano naman experience sa paggawa ng movie, Bez?
Siyempre, happy. Bagong transformation to sa grupo namin kasi iba kami on stage and first time namin nag-act.
Oo nga eh.
Oo,
Di ba ano ba
first
mayroon ba
time.
kayong seminar or training or workshop, Grace?
Yeah, di naman. Pero yung during taping and shooting, yun. Parang on process, natututo na rin.
So while you're there na medyo gina-guide kayo kung anong acting ang gusto nila from you guys. Mocha, please invite them.
Yan, showing pa rin po ang Sumpa, sexy horror movie. And also meron po akong birthday show po sa May 20th sa classmate po.
And,
Want to say hi to Dr. John Seneca of Jensen and Dr. Obilius for our dental care.
and also, we want to say hi to our friends from Akira of Angelisa Salon and from Uno. Syempre, yung
Yes, and
Unlimited
for more
opportunity,
information, just visit our website, mocha.com.ph.
Alright, at
Thank you.
nandito na sila mga kapuso. Siyempre, hindi kami papayag, hindi kayo kakantaan sa Asaya for Us. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang Mocha!